Right, so these pair of trainers here, whoa, look at those beauties. And this here, look, zoom in here, look, come in, look at it ripped across there. So we put a patch on the back of it to reinforce it. But if you look at the others, all the others are starting to go as well. Look at that one there, look, starting to rip. It's not ripped on the outside, but it's ripped on the inside. So we've put a patch on there, sorted that out, made that all nice and strong. What we're going to do now is just put some eyelets in the top. That eyelet will go in there like that, and then we'll crush it in so that we take in all the strength, putting it and spreading it about a little bit. You see that there? Look, that lovely patch in there. This is one that we've just done, look, and I've put the eyelets in. They don't look bad, do they? Actually, if they were mine, I'd have eyelets put in all of them, but the customer doesn't want to pay for that. So we've just done the top two. The top two being the ones that will take the strain. So we've got the top two. Well done, Dave. We've done the top two there. They've got the eyelets in. They'll take all the strain, and we'll just get the eyelets put in here. We have all these eyelets, all this sort of thing. There's not much here in the shoe healer that we can't repair.